An unforgettable journey is one where every little piece falls into place, as if the stars have aligned in your favor. From the very start to when you leave. Feeling like a slightly different person. And full of stories to share back home. An unforgettable journey is one through which you learn new things. Explore like you used to as a child. Or just take in all the energy from those grand mountains. It stimulates your senses, all of them, and lets you find the beauty in the simplest moments. But also takes you on a spiritual ride like none before. Because that's what Sumaq is all about. Immersing yourself into an unknown culture while feeling catered for as if at home, even slightly spoiled. Every little detail sets the scene for that magical moment that will change your view of everything and give away memories that will last